Hey friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will learn what is the legitimate ways you can become a freelance writer. So when I started freelance writing, I honestly didn't know the answer to these questions either. But I didn't know anything about making money online, nor did I have the clue that freelance writing would be such a in demand. Okay, so now I write for multiple sites and I have earned up to like 500 USD for a single writing assignment. In this article, I will let you know that what I have learned along the way. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete the projects on a contract basis. So even if you take on the contract to work for a company, you are still a self-employed when you are a freelance. And there are plenty of freelancing jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list the jobs so that you can go there and fulfill their requirements. So let's look at what you need to do to get started in the freelance writing. If you are a skilled writer, then you could make money online as a freelance writer. Many online businesses need blog posts, articles, web copy, then product reviews and other content created on a regular basis. So even businesses that don't need content on a regular basis, they may need help every now and then. For example, when they have a rush for the orders to fill or need help promoting their products. So let's understand how you can be a successful freelance writer. So there are some like 2 to 3 rules that you need to follow so that you can start with it. The number one is check out the forums for freelance writing gigs. Believe it or not, but forums aren't just for chatting and wasting time. You can easily find a freelance writing gig by being active in a forum. So you can land a writing job just by keeping in touch with your peers. So how is this possible? Most bloggers check out the forums to shoot the breeze with other bloggers and to chat about what's relevant to them. This means that if a blogger is considering hiring a freelance writer, they will first mention it in the forum. So if you are an active member of this forum, then with a decent decent reputation, you can actually reach out to this blogger and offer your services to them. So you don't have to be actively looking for the work in the forum. It just helps to keep an eye out for looking to the higher freelance writer threads that pop up now and then on the forum. Number 2, keep track of popular blogs. So what does keeping track of popular blogs have to do with anything? You can find a blogger that needs to hire a freelance writer but just doesn't know it yet. Okay, how can you tell that if a blogger would want to hire a freelance writer in the near future? So the website clearly makes money. Look for the bloggers that seems to be burned out. Okay, find the bloggers that haven't been posting. Look for the signs in the articles also. Then the author has received a promotion or not. The blogger has just had a child or gotten married or for any reason other major life event they have left the blog site and then there is a vacancy for the same. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, I highly recommend that you reach out to the blogger to see if they would be interested in hiring a freelance writer. Obviously, not every single person you email will be interested. Some will be interested in the trial basis. Some will ask you for your work that you have already done or for a few guest posts first. Okay, the guest post is like free. So you have to do them unless until you reach their Nike. And others will flat out to turn down your offer also. That could also happen and that is a possibility. So if you don't ask, the answer is always no. I actually ended up hiring a freelance writer for one of my other blogs this way only. So they reached out to me and asked if they needed another writer also, and guess what, they were hired because there was actual vacancy due to the above reasons I have mentioned. So number 3, search through online job boards. Okay. There are many job boards out there for those that want to find freelance work. Where do you apply for the writing gigs online? So there is one popular site called as Pro Blogger Job Board. This one has been around for a while now. And then second is Upwork in the list. This is a freelancing marketplace where you can apply for the variety of gigs based on the writing articles. Then there is also a writer's market. Okay, writer's market is also a good platform if you are starting new. You have to pay to join, but you get to apply to writing jobs in many different Nikes. Okay. So then there is a LinkedIn also. LinkedIn is very popular and it runs on a professional basis. So you can find freelance writing gigs there too. for different advertisers where you can post job articles for them, for the companies. And there is a freelancer writers den also. This is a paid membership site for those looking to get serious. Okay, so this will be your place if you are a pro in the writing field. Then you can go on the freelancer writers den. Then number 4, offer your services. Number 4 in the list is offer your services on your own blog. Okay, so if you happen to have your own blog and want to become a freelance writer as well, then I recommend that you put up a post on your blog offering your services. So I've seen that hire me post going up on many smaller personal finance blog and other niches also. You never know who reads your blog or who's in the market to hire a freelance writer. For example, Advanced Writer is a writing company who is actively looking for such writers. It's worth a try, especially since it only takes a few minutes to put up one of these posts online. And number 5 rule is listen to a successful freelance writer. So why learn at the school of the hard knocks when there is a courses out that teach exactly what you want to do online. So for example, my friend Miranda Market, who has made hundreds of thousands of dollars writing for the big name publications like Forbes, MSN and Yahoo Finance, teamed up with the 2 other uber successful freelancers also and writers and created the course also, the Freelance Writer Academy also. So the basic course costs just like 240 USD. You can go online and go for such a pro-based writing articles, but only do this since you are very pro in the field. Okay, but I will recommend you to start with the basics first, and then you go for the paid memberships or paid articles. And you could earn that back in one writing gig also, and then some seriously, you could go spend tens of thousands on a college degree, but with no guarantee, and learn from the pros also. They will teach you how to get the clients and trick to become the productive, how to charge more, how to get started, and everything else in return. So guys, this side hustle can make you a ton of money because see, we are in the digital market where everything is present online. People love to read online. People want to spend more time on their devices. So you can easily have engagements from these people if you have good articles, good writing skills, and if you are publishing your blog posts on a daily basis, then surely you will get a nice crowd, and you can also start monetizing your articles in the near future. I hope guys you like this idea and you will be becoming freelance writer soon. Thank you guys.